How we doing, everyone? This is Dario from mediaboxentlab. If you're just coming back, great, I say thank you. But if this is the first time, make sure you become part of mediaboxentlab by clicking there, and very important, the notification bell, so you know next time we release a video, then sure will help you in your next project. So today what we have is a video doorbell 720. It has a night vision notification. It can last up to 6 to 8 months. But let's look to this. Now this is the one I have right now, the video doorbell 720 HT is Wi-Fi. Okay, motion detector, audio and speaker, and the night vision. And again, the application works with iOS devices and Android. Now we can see here it has night vision 720, and we see all the details. We can see the price as right now releasing this video is $49.99. I remember they always tend to change, right? The prices are pretty dynamic. And here give you a base idea how you can use it too. All right, if you get a package, you will notify automatically around the bell. And we can see the battery. The battery use the 186050 batteries. We see that now they use in many systems right now. Comes with the screws, manual, and the bell. Now, if you want a bell separate, right? Because now when this in your signal, right, will send you right in the phone. Let's imagine for a second you are maybe in the second floor, or maybe you are in the backyard and you don't have your phone with you, right? So you want to make sure you hear. I will say for like $13, you can knit an extra device. It's like a bell. You can plug this anywhere. So when not only you get the signal right in your phone, also you get that right in the bell. And let's look at that in a second. We see it right over here, and you can plug this. I show you a picture. You can plug this anywhere. Even have some light, and you can change also the notification. It has 52 different tones, right? So right away you will know when somebody exercises, somebody actually rings the bell. So we look the bell right over here. We have the motion detector. We have the night vision right on the side. I can see the LEDs, the length, right, the bell. And this one you can turn it off or turn it on. It will blink every few seconds, a blue light. Right in the back, very simple. You push this down, and we have the batteries, right? You install it once and forget about it. To charge this every 6 or 7 months, you can use the micro USB right on the side. This is the button reset. I'll show you how. And here we install the memory. I just install a 64 gigabyte memory, and you install it this way. Why you want to install a memory? Because if you're not around, you want to make sure this thing keeps recording. Another idea too, if they say the power, the electric power gets cut off in your house, well, imagine this is still receiving signal, and it still records every 15 seconds. By the way, when it detects a motion, it will record for 15 seconds. And it's nice because you can always review later on. You can review all the videos. Now, and also send you the information around your phone. If you are available, you can record on your phone as well too. So like we said, the package, we got the screws, and this is one you just put around the back. If you want to use this, you can go like this. I will say use a screw in this thing too. Now right over here, you're going to use a screw, and you're going to use your power supply from your bell system. It supports between 8 volts to 24 volts. And I show you right in the instructions right over here, 8 to 24 volts. Show you the batteries. It's very simple. We're going to open right now and give you all the details how to use it. But the first thing you need to do is download the application by simple. It's scan. If you have a Apple phone, iOS device, scan right over here. If you have Android, scan it right over here. And the application is called TOSEE app. So we then download that already. Now, how we reset the device? To reset the device, we're going to do this. We're going to press the red button here. All right. And then you're going to press here. And we wait like about 15 seconds. We're going to hear like a jingle bell coming up. Sounds like a Christmas song. We wait. Not yet. It's like a Christmas song. And now we see it's blinking red. It needs to blink red. If other than blinking red, then you need to reset this. Pressing the two things and let it go. And it takes about 15 to 20 seconds. So you need to have some patience. So it's already done. All right. So when you install the application and this is blinking red, we click plus. We're going to put add device. There's nothing to scan. This blinking red. Yes, it's blinking red. Next. Now we need to create a local network between the phone and right here. So we click enter configuration. We wait until we see 2C. So let's wait until it shows up there. That's it. 2C, they give you a number there. You click right there. That's connected already. It's going to show you return to the application. We're going to return to the application. We click next. All right. Set your 2.4 network. All right. 2.4. 2.4 only. All right. So we're going to put the password of 2.4. So this is the password of your router. We click next. The password to administrate is simple. Let's call it test. Test. And click next. Now this one, we give a number. Let's call it front door. That's it.
Join the network successfully.
You see that? It's done. At this point, you are connected right to the doorbell. You see, it was simple. It's done at this point. So now we see the thumbnail there. Catch up my part of the studio. You can click playback. See, we see there front door in case you got back door, front door. Click right there. We can see, and it has a nice angle, right? It will cover everything. So you get a live video. It will show you the battery level. And let's bring the volume down because I'm getting a feedback. And you can see there the battery level. So you will know when you need to recharge it. Remember, between 6 or 8 months, it's a lot of traffic. I will see the battery will run out faster. If we look at the configuration, we click, you can even share that. So we click right there. We have to put the password with the beginning. Right. And now we can do an ultra power consumption. We turn it on. We can indicate a light. You mean you want that to blink every whatever seconds. It blinks automatic if you want that, so people know that's the doorbell. Night vision. The light is activated. The ring is on. You can flip the camera. Length of the video. We can do 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or 45 seconds. So it's LUT format. So 15 seconds stop, 50 seconds stop, 57, 50. And one the 64 gig memory. They said if you put 64, full it up, goes back and delete. They said the one a month ago. All right. So from there, we can activate the motion sensor. Maybe you don't want to activate by a dog walking around, right? So you can say low medium, depends how you want because it will send you a signal during your phone, right? And the intercom volume, we want all the way up. So we want the volume all the way high. And flick, and you are in USA. So you're going to set a 60 hertz, right? And technically, storage available is a 64 gigs, right? 59, that's fine because that's what it is. And the format, you can even format the device. And then you can information on the device from here when you can check the firmware, all the information from that particular device. That's the only thing you need to do. So technically, maybe the only thing you need to here is set the length of the video if you want to stop this out. So now we are back here and to the live video. We want full screen. We can set this to full screen as well too. And that's a good resolution, right? Let's see right there. You can see me with no problem, right? Let's go back. Now here we can get screenshots. So somebody's around the door. So you have to remember, this will send you a message if somebody gets into the door to pick. Is anyone there? So this automatically send you a message. So what you can do, if you see the face of the guy, you just go boom, take a picture. Or just in case you want to have a double copy, well, click right over here and your phone is recording, and that's recording as well too. It's like you have 2 copies, right? And we can go playback. So if they record anything, we can play back. We can change the volume. Now, when somebody actually rings the bell, I'm going to just match and we click right over here. We see right there. Even my phone as well, my watch as well too. So let's go back to the application because I got a message there. I cannot see incoming call. I can just go and answer the call. And you can say, whatever, I'm not available. I'm coming back next week. I cannot answer the call right now. You can do whatever you want at that point. So when you answer the phone, to be able to use the intercom, you need to press here, becomes green. And now, see, hello, hello. Now the speaker is working. So the nice thing too is you can even answer the call if the other person doesn't know. And to you physically press the speaker, right, or the microphone. They call the speaker here because the speaker from here. So you click the microphone there, you activate it now, and then you can say, I'm available, not available. You cannot say anything. So they can be present and they never know you are home or not. So if you see, it's a simple device to set up, only takes a few minutes. If you don't want to be worried about replacing batteries, then what you can do is use your old cable for your ring bell system, or just as I said, take every 6 or 9 months. Anyway, you see the batteries right in your phone right there. And if you want to make sure you're going to hear the bell, right, and then you want to add the extra device, I think it's about $13 right now, and I think it's a good system to set up and secure your house if you love these smart devices. And with this, we complete the video, and all the links will be provided right below this video. Thank you.